Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel e-commerce project video tutorial we will learn that how we can create a cart product listing. So what is the meaning of cart product listing? So we will create a page of a listing where we will show the all products that is added inside our cart, right? So keep in mind that in this video we will use the three tables. One is user, second one is product, and third one is cart. So for getting the data from combined from these all tables, we will use the joins, right? Why I am not using the relationships here? Because for a freshers and beginner, relationships are little bit complicated, and I just want to make this project easier for you, right? That's why I will use the joins rather than relations. So now let's check out the points of the video. First of all, we will create a route, and we will make a view for cart list. Then we will get the data from the database with the help of join. Then we will pass this data to the view, and we will add some HTML and style also. Then we will test complete flow. Yes, we will test the flow with the different user. Till now you can see that we are using only Anil Sidhu only, but in this video we will use the another user, so that you can just identify that the cart product is only belongs to the specific user, right? So now and after that we will just push our code to the GitHub. So now let's get started. So first of all, I am just going to add a link on cart tag, right? So for that, let's go on a header.blade.php, and here is our total. So just put here a link like cart list or something, right? And now let's jump on this link, and we will find that we 404 page, right? So how we can resolve it? For that we need to make a route as well as a function so that we can land it, right? So now let's open a web.php and create a route, and I'm just going to try copy and paste the code so that we can just complete this video in the minimum time. So just write here cart list, this is our route, and we can just put a same name to our function also, right? And this function will belongs to the product controller, right? And let's create a function. Oh, my bad. Function which is cart list, or what? It will be a cart list, right? Cart list. And for using the joins we need a db class here. So just simply put here, oh my bad, just simply put here use illuminate what, I made a mistake here, this is fine. Then support, and after that facades, and just use here db. Come back to our function now, and for checking the routes and all, just put here hello for a moment so that we can identify the routes and everything is working fine. That's working fine. So now what we need here, so let's take a variable, let's say products or something, and just use here db table, and we will use the cart table. Why we are using join here? So let's understand this first. We are just saving our cart data inside a cart.php table, but here we don't have the other information like price and image and name and all, right? All these things are present inside the products, but we have a link that we have a product ID. So with the help of product ID we can just get the all information. Just sorry for that, right? I just want to remove these warnings. I will just fix them soon, sorry guys. And after that we can just put a join on these tables, and with the help of product ID we can get the all data from the products table, right? So let's just do the same thing, and just simply use here db. We are fetching the data from the cart, and also we need to apply the join. So just use here join function, and it will actually take the three parameters. One, the table, on that we want to put the join. Then second parameter belongs to the table, our current table cart, right? And then the column of this cart table, right? So we can just want to use a product ID underscore ID, right? And it will belongs to right. And the second parameter is basically array, and here we will use products as in key, and dollar products as data. So now whenever we are just running it, it will just give an error to us, which is cannot use object of type std class as an array, because when we are fetching the data from the joins with the db, then this data actually in a type of class format or object format, not in the array. So but we are using here a array format. So what we can do here, let's put them to the array, put them like an object, and just call it like this. Okay, what object we here have? Gallery, right? We can use here gallery, and we can use here simply name. Then we can simply here as description, right? So now let's check what we got here. Again we got an error because we have to just remove this brackets, right? Now I hope everything is fine. Alright, so this is not looking fine because this is not a proper listing. So what we can do here, we can just modify this page a little bit. So first of all, let's remove this one call, then we can use here 10, and this is little bit fine but still not great. So what we can do, the next thing, just copy this old stuff from here, right? Like copy from here, add a row class, and now what we can do here, let's add another div class call sm3, paste it here, and it will not going to make a big difference, but now it will make a big difference when you can just paste it 3 times, right? Second and 3. So for a moment there is a lots of product looking like, but this is not a way that we are going to use. What we actually want to use, so in here we will use only image, then here we will use the only description, and here we will add a remove from cart button, right? So just remove the extra tags from here. Now this is fine, and for the second one we can just remove these extra, you can say image and anchor tag. Now this is also great, and for the last one we can just remove everything, we don't need this, just remove them, right? And just simply use a button here, close it, and just simply right here remove from cart, remove to cart, we can see that, right? And just add a class btn warning, right? So now this is much better, but it can be still more good. So for that, what we are going to do, if you want, then we can make it a 4, and now this is much better. So let's add some space between these all products. One more thing, I know guys, there is a lots of product which is repeating here. So in after 2 or 3 videos, I will just make some logic so that we can just define there is a 2 TV in a single row, so that we can just remove the duplicate products from here. But for this video, please manage that. otherwise this video will be gonna very long, right? So what we are going to do now, so just add a class here like cart list divider, right? That's fine. And just use this class inside a master.play.php for style, and just simply use here like this. And for a moment just add here a border bottom 1 pixel solid and CCC, right? Some color. So now you will find that we have border, but this is not looking cool. So what you can do here, just simply add here margin bottom, and you can add like 20 pixel, and padding bottom, and for that we can again use a 20 pixel. And now let's see what we are getting here. This is looking much better, right? So this is looking like a complete list. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video we will just remove to cart functionality, and then we will combine these things. Yeah, one more thing which is I just want to tell that we can just log out and try to log in from the another account, right? So where is my another account? So let's say my another username is Peter, right? So let me just copy her email address, and just password is 12345, login, and here you can see that we don't have any product for this guy, right? And when we click on this, there is no product. So let's go to the home, add some products like buy one product here, and this is fine. So now let's try to buy another one. So let's say he want to buy a Oppo mobile, add to cart, right? And now you can see that the products are added here. And if you just want to verify, then you can just verify inside a cart table. There is a 2 entry for a user ID 2, right? And this is working fine. So that's all for this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box, and you can get all my code from this GitHub account, right? And please guys, if you just want to connect me on Insta, then you can connect me here, right? And bye bye, take care.